Are you looking for the best electric toothbrush, but not sure which one is right for you? Then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll show you the top 5 best electric toothbrushes that deliver deep cleaning, whiter teeth, and healthier gums using the latest smart technology. So don't skip, watch till the end and discover which electric toothbrush offers the best value for your money. Let's get started. Item number 5. The Oral-B iO Deep Clean Plus Whiten is a premium rechargeable electric toothbrush designed for adults who want professional-level oral care at home. It removes up to 100% more plaque than a manual toothbrush and helps improve gum health in just 1 week. Powered by advanced iO magnetic technology, it uses gentle micro vibrations and a round brush head for a smooth and effective clean. The smart pressure sensor protects gums, while 5 cleaning modes, a 2-minute timer, AI app feedback, and a travel case provide a personalized dentist-level cleaning experience anywhere. Item number 4. The Philips Sonicare DiamondClean Smart 9500 is a premium sonic electric toothbrush designed to deliver superior oral care. Clinically proven, it removes up to 20 times more plaque, improves gum health up to 15 times, and eliminates up to 100% more stains than a manual toothbrush. With 5 brushing modes and 3 intensity levels, you can personalize your brushing for optimal results. The smart pressure sensor and light ring protect your gums by alerting you if you brush too hard. Connect to the Philips Sonicare app for personalized guidance and track your brushing habits over time. Enjoy a healthier, brighter smile every single day with this advanced toothbrush. Item number 3. The RANVOO AirJet Bubble Sonic Electric Toothbrush is a revolution-in-one vibrating and flossing device designed for adults seeking deep and efficient oral care. With 22,000 vibrations per minute, patented bubble jet technology, and tapered bristles, it removes up to 99% of plaque in just 2 minutes while protecting sensitive gums. It features 3 cleaning modes, a 2-minute timer with 30-second zone intervals, a waterproof pressure-sensitive screen, and a 1600 mAh battery lasting up to 2 months. The magnetic wall-mounted charger, durable premium design, replaceable brush heads, and 10-year warranty make it perfect for home use or gifting. Item number 2. The Oral-B iO Deep Clean Plus Protect is a premium rechargeable electric toothbrush designed for adults seeking a smarter, more effective brushing experience. Its round nylon brush head and advanced technology remove up to 100% more plaque in just 1 week while promoting healthier gums. The built-in iO pressure sensor protects gums by guiding you to brush with the right pressure, and 5 personalized cleaning modes suit every oral care need. With a smart display, app connectivity, real-time tracking, 3H fast charging, and a travel case, it delivers a convenient dentist-level clean anywhere. Perfect for home use or on the go, it ensures every brushing session is thorough and effective. Item number 1. The Waterpik Sonic Fusion 2.0 Professional is a unique all-in-one flossing and sonic electric toothbrush designed for complete oral care. It combines the power of a sonic toothbrush with a built-in water flosser, clinically proven to be up to 2 times more effective than traditional brushing and flossing for plaque removal and gum health. Featuring 3 modes, brush, floss, or both, it includes a 2-minute timer, 30-second pacer, 2 brush speeds, and 10 water pressure settings. The set comes with a rechargeable handle, 16-aughts reservoir, 2 brush heads, travel case, and magnetic storage, backed by a 3-year warranty. Which of these electric toothbrush is your favorite? Don't forget to comment below and let us know. If you want to buy one, check the links in the description. Purchasing through them helps support our channel. And hey, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and stay with us. Thanks for watching.